Hey there, learners! Ready to boost your confidence and speak English effortlessly. Sometimes you might find yourself stumbling over words or forgetting them while talking. Don't worry, you're not the only one. In this video, we'll go through a few simple, real-life sentences that'll help you say things in a natural and easy way, perfect for those in A2 to B1 levels. How this practice can benefit you. Let me show you how this video is designed for you. Shadowing practice, spending time daily speaking English, building your confidence, listening and talking together. All right, here's a breakdown of the conversation. First, I'll say something. You go along with me and repeat after me. After that, you mimic my voice without giving me a break. As you keep doing it, your English gets better and better. Well, at least you're into watching English with Romyy. If you want to catch up on this lesson, just head over to Spotify and listen through the link provided in my bio. Let's get started. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. Repeat after me, learners. I get out of bed without rushing. I get out of bed without rushing. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I look outside the window. I look outside the window. I usually have breakfast. At home, I usually have breakfast. At home. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. I check my phone briefly. I check my phone briefly. I leave the house on time. I leave the house on time. I travel to work by bus. I travel to work by bus. Sometimes I take the underground. Sometimes I take the underground. When the weather is pleasant, I walk. When the weather is pleasant, I walk. I enjoy quiet mornings. I enjoy quiet mornings. I listen to music on the way. I listen to music on the way. I arrive at work on time. I arrive at work on time. I start my day calmly. I start my day calmly. I work until lunchtime. I work until lunchtime. I usually eat lunch with colleagues. I usually eat lunch with colleagues. We talk about daily life. We talk about daily life. After lunch, I return to work. After lunch, I return to work. I try to stay focused. I try to stay focused. In the evening, I feel tired. In the evening, I feel tired. I go back home. I go back home. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I rest for a short while. I rest for a short while. I study English every evening. I study English every evening. I revise new words. I revise new words. I practice speaking aloud. I practice speaking aloud. After dinner, I relax. After dinner, I relax. I watch something interesting. I watch something interesting. I go to bed before 11. I go to bed before 11. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Would you repeat that again? Would you repeat that again? I don't quite understand this word. I don't quite understand this word. Could you explain it simply? Could you explain it simply? Let's try again. Together. Let's try again. Together. What do you usually do at weekends? What do you usually do at weekends? I visit my family. I visit my family. We eat lunch together. We eat lunch together. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. I read before going to sleep. I read before going to sleep. The weather is lovely today. The weather is lovely today. Yesterday was rather cold. Yesterday was rather cold. It might rain later. It might rain later. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. Spring is my favorite season. Spring is my favorite season. Winter feels too long. Winter feels too long. So, learners, did you catch the daily sentences I worked on with you? If so, drop me a note in the comments. How's it feeling? Until now, we've been practicing in the British way. Now, it's time to dive into strong US casual language for everyday chat. So, let's get started. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I get out of bed fast. I get out of bed fast. I brush my teeth and get ready. I brush my teeth and get ready. I check my phone real quick. I check my phone real quick. I usually eat at home. I usually eat at home. Sometimes I grab coffee. Sometimes I grab coffee. I head out for work. I head out for work. I take the bus. I take the bus. If the weather's nice, I walk. If the weather's nice, I walk. I listen to music on the way. I listen to music on the way. It helps me relax. It helps me relax. I reach work on time. I reach work on time. I start working right away. I start working right away. I stay focused most of the day. I stay focused most of the day. Around noon, I get hungry. Around noon, I get hungry. I eat lunch with coworkers. I eat lunch with coworkers. We talk and laugh. We talk and laugh. After lunch, I feel sleepy. After lunch, I feel sleepy. I keep working anyway. I keep working anyway. In the evening, I head home. In the evening, I head home. I change clothes. I change clothes. I sit down and relax. I sit down and relax. I practice English daily. I practice English daily. I repeat sentences out loud. I repeat sentences out loud. I try to sound natural. I try to sound natural. After dinner, I chill. After dinner, I chill. I watch videos or listen to music. I watch videos or listen to music. I go to bed before 11. I go to bed before 11. Can you help me real quick? Can you help me real quick? Doc, can you say that again? Can you say that again? I didn't get that word. I didn't get that word. Can you break it down? Can you break it down? Let's try it one more time. Let's try it one more time. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? I hang out with friends. I hang out with friends. I like watching movies. I like watching movies. I watch them in English. I watch them in English. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Yesterday was freezing. Yesterday was freezing. I left my jacket at home. I left my jacket at home. Spring feels great. Spring feels great. Winter is not my thing. Winter is not my thing. Excellent work today, learners. You practiced more than 100 useful English sentences. Keep practicing with shadowing every day. Consistency brings confidence. Listen to this lesson on Spotify. Link in bio. Subscribe to English with Romyy for daily English practice. See you in the next video. Take care.